Butoh is a bit of an underground movement, and so I could see how it is difficult for a lot of people to attain access to this art form. You may not be able to find a real-life teacher. I mean, perhaps in Zoom, which is nice, but you may not be able to find yourself in a workshop or an intensive. But maybe you do want to learn Butoh, and no problem. So basically, you just have to turn off the mind and begin a state of resonance or listening to whatever it is that you have available. The nature is very nice. Resonance with plants, resonance with animals, resonance with the space around you. And what does this mean, resonance? It just means you are listening and you are letting your body enter into whatever it is you are to enter into in the space. We live in a world of multiplicity. There are so many things. In Taoism they call the 10,000 things. Enter into whatever that thing is and just improvise, just let it take you over. Get lost, just get lost. That's all you need to do, just get lost. And you can also use mimesis. You can copy. Copying is a good tool. Go on YouTube, search Butoh, click on something that resonates with you and just copy it. Copy it with all of your spirit, all of your body. And then maybe something else comes out that you could call your own. And of course you can go back to my prior material in my YouTube series of Learn Butoh. That's the old series. And you can also check out my Butoh manual at butohmanual.com, which has little videos throughout the manual. So what I'm saying is, just because you do not have access to any guides coming through, I say you can still practice this on your own. You can still find your Butoh body. Just surrender and let yourself resonate. And don't worry about beauty. Just let yourself resonate. Don't worry about any dark places. Try to resonate with even the ugly, the things that are not beautiful. And just dance. Just dance. It's all about this. We are just dancing.